Good evening, everyone. Dobry wieczór. It is unfortunately brown out yet again. See, we are using the flashlight. I will show you how it is outside. Okay, I will show you here that it is indeed brown out. Look, I have solar light here. I have more solar lights over here, so that's why it's actually bright here in front of the house, especially if I step in, because it has a stronger light. But you guys can see how dark it is. Look over there by the road, and we have another solar lights here, right? So around the house it's pretty bright, but can you remember we have the lamppost over here? See, it's brown out all around. The moon is over there. Okay, this is the best way to use our Bluetti Elite 100. Scarlett really wants to watch TV because it's only 8 p.m. guys. The vlog is up. Okay, so let's turn this one on. Alright, now we have here for our TV. Hala pangga. Even if it's brown out, we can still watch. Okay, do you want to turn it on? Where's the remote? Can you turn it on, proszę? There. Turn it on. And it's really hot. Hala! Look! Amazing! Wow! That's so good. Okay, next, electric fan, of course. Let's do electric fan. Oh, wow! See? Electric fan is there. It's not gonna be hot now. We cannot watch TV if there is no Wi-Fi. So we have the Wi-Fi cable here. Plug it in. Guys, we have 3 that's currently running now. And we have 139 watts. And we have 1800 watts. That's still allowed. We can plug in. We have 92% battery currently. And hello, we can watch. Let me see, B. This is just so amazing. Like, I don't even need to be worried if there is brownout because look, Bluetti is there, our savior. Can you see that the electric fan is actually working? Maybe I will swivel it. Oh, look at that. Amazing. I just can't believe this is so powerful. Alright, let's watch the vlog. It's already up. Alright guys, we have here the vlog for tonight and we are using the Bluetti Elite 100 at 90% now. Electric fan is running, Wi-Fi, TV, electric fan. Wow, we can still plug in anything. So let's watch! You know what? I just find it so amazing how we can actually power the TV and the electric fan and the Wi-Fi. It's just nice. It feels really good. Like, I'm at peace. Whenever we have brownout now, I don't even, like, it's okay. Okay, we're gonna watch the vlog. Hello, beautiful people! Maayong udto. Good afternoon. Dzień dobry. Guys, we are starting the vlog quite late yet again today. You know what? I can hear the buja is pretty strong and lightning. There's like lightning and thunder going on right now. It was raining super heavy last night. I think it was like 2 in the morning. And by the way, I just was so amazed last night. So the brownout lasted for like 4 hours. It started at 8 p.m. exactly 8 when my alarm was on. I always have my alarm on at 8 because that's when I put the vlog live. And it lasted until 12 midnight. And you know what? I am just like so amazed that I have this power station over here. I just cannot believe that I can just watch TV and I can have my electric fan on. I have the Wi-Fi and I was telling Robbie about it and he was like teasing me, "Oh, honey is so modern now." I just appreciated the power station more last night because usually when there's brownout, everybody just goes to sleep, even if it's very hot, even if you don't have electric fan. But during that time, it was just like an ordinary day where you still have electricity. Sis was here and Fiang, we were watching TV and Scarlett as well. And yeah, it was just like a nice feeling to have a backup power. Anyway, today I am going to give you guys an update, of course, with our terrace expansion. We are doing the tiles today, guys. We are in the last stretch, guys, of our terrace expansion, and we're almost there now. We just had lunch. Mom cooked some soup, and Vuyak and Atan went to the hardware store because we need more fine sand. Yes, we actually needed more than what we expected we would need. So I think they're gonna try to bargain if we can get like a mini truck or mini multi-cab of fine sand because apparently we need more. So yeah, anyway, let's go out and see how it's looking. Bye! Hola, I am driving heavy. Well, I think maybe it's not really that heavy. It's just in my mind because I am carrying fine sand. So I have here 8 sacks of fine sand. Each has like 15 kilos per sack. So 8 times 10, that's 80. 5 times 8, that's 40. So I have like 120 kilos with me. And you know, I've driven before more than like 200 for sure, but I don't know. I just feel like it's heavy now because it is fine sand than people. But I'm just driving slow because our road here is not the best. Anyway, so Vuyak and Atan went to get the fine sand, but they don't deliver per truck. They just sell it per sack. Now the problem is their delivery truck was broken, and obviously we need the fine sand now. So I'm like, okay, I'll just take it with a car. I'll just drive slow. It did not touch the ground. Very good. All right, let's go. B, no. Hi. Oh, bruh. We got 8 sacks. We need 30 more. More than 30, guys. So I'm going for round 2. Yes, Ruby is our delivery truck. I'm not like carrying a lot anyway. I'm gonna get 9 sacks this time. So that's got to be like per sack is an estimate of 15 kilos times 9. That will be 135 kilos. That's not too bad. So let's go. So they can continue their work without any interruption. Dobra? Huh? I am going to a different hardware store. Let's see if they are going to sell per mini dump truck. Because per sack is pretty small. Like we need a lot of sacks. And this one over here, they only sell it in sacks, not by truck. So I'm gonna go to a different one. We need like 30 more sacks of fine sand, guys. Oh yes, zoo! 2 of the other hardwares don't have fine sand. Ah! So I will have to carry all the fine sand that we need now. Hey. So let's get 9 sacks of fine sand to the hardware store I went to earlier. I don't really have a choice, or else we're gonna stop the installation of the tiles because we need a fine sand. Well, we don't really need the fine sand, but we're gonna have to get a lot of tile adhesive, which is a lot expensive. So fine sand is 60 pesos per sack. Since I'm like carrying it, but if you want it delivered, that's when it's 70 pesos. Anyway, let's go. Hello everyone! Let's do another progress update of our terrace extension. Here we are, guys. It's actually moving quite fast. I'm happy with it. So we have here the tiles. So today they're doing the tiles all day, and yesterday I think they have finished around 12 tiles that they've installed. So now it's quite a lot. So remember, we have ordered a total of 105 pieces of tiles. So they're actually starting here in the middle, so they could put like the entire whole thing, because on the sides, that's when they're gonna do the cutting. That's when it actually takes some time, since they have to measure and they have to cut, especially the edges. So anyway, they finished 12 yesterday, so now let's count how many they have finished. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 37. So we have here a total of 37 tiles that has been installed. Ta-da! It's looking pretty good. I cannot wait to actually like remove the tile leveling system, the orange thing. That's the most satisfying part. You know what? Doing the tiles actually reminds me of Robbie a lot because if you guys can recall, I think that was like last year or last year when he replaced the tiles in the living area and the kitchen, and it was actually so surreal. Like this brought me back to that moment when Robbie was like changing the tiles. So almost all of the things in this house reminds me of him pretty much. So yeah, anyway, the tile leveling is a really good suggestion by Robbie. I never even knew that this thing existed, that it actually makes everything, I mean, it makes the work quite fast because you don't need to like measure it or make sure that it's level. You just need to hook it, put it, and there, it's all level. So this is how it's looking. Ta-da! So my work earlier, which was carrying all of the fine sand, actually helped a lot because then they're able to continue the work. It was not being interrupted because if we had to wait for the people to deliver it, obviously we had to stop the construction again, right? So first I got 8 sacks and then second is 9. So we have like 17 sacks of fine sand. So that should make them continue the tile installation until tomorrow for sure. And then we'll see if I need to go back there again and get more. But yeah, this is how it's looking. The Piang Piang is here. She's supervising. Hi. 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 Say hi. Hi. Here. There she is. She's always here. She is actually able to watch the entire process, guys, because she's always with them.